Are you tired of cluttered spaces and messy rooms? Do you need a practical and stylish storage solution? Look no further than our cotton rope storage basket. Crafted from premium quality cotton rope, this basket is sturdy enough to hold heavy items, yet soft and flexible for easy storage. Its neutral color and minimalist design make it a versatile addition to any room, while its ample size allows you to store a variety of items, from blankets and pillows to toys and books. The cotton rope storage basket is perfect for organizing your living room, bedroom, or nursery. Use it to store extra blankets and pillows in your living room, keep your children's toys and books in one place in the nursery, or store extra linens and towels in your bedroom. The possibilities are endless. Not only is our cotton rope storage basket practical, but it's also a stylish decor item. Its natural texture and understated design add a touch of elegance to any room. Plus, it's easy to clean and maintain, so you can keep your space looking tidy and beautiful for years to come. So what are you waiting for? Add our cotton rope storage basket to your cart today and start enjoying a clutter-free home.